Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel where we put the B-U in beautiful. So this workout video is going to be very quick. I believe I was here for about an hour or so. I focus primarily on my glutes and my core because you ladies know we want to stay snatched. I absolutely love this glute lift strength machine. So you guys know that I love hip thrusts because you feel all of the burning in your booty area, and it just gives you a nice lift, and it makes your butt plump as well. So it's just the perfect glute exercise. Now, if you do not feel like lifting those plates and maneuvering through the Smith machine, this exercise machine is your next best bet. Okay, so again, it is called the Glute lift machine. Not every gym has this, but this Planet Fitness does, which is super amazing. All you do is set it to your preferred weight, and you just anchor your feet like this, and you just lift up. I recommend going down slow and coming up fast. Ooh, I caught someone looking at me because I was looking to see what was going on. And then when I looked, he looked too. And I was like, oh, okay, inhale. So I'm lifting up and down. And again, you feel all of this in your glutes, which is great. Now, I did about 10 sets, but of course, for the purpose of this video, I cut it short. But let's be very clear. This machine will knock the wind out of you guys. Like, you will literally be out of breath, but it's totally worth it. So I also did a few RDL sets now, and I'm so sorry guys, I did not film a good angle of this. I was actually going to cut it out, but I did still want to show you. Check down in the description box below because I will insert my RDL how-to video. This literally burns so good. I highly recommend hitting a few of these during your glute workout. And now jumping into core, I hit a few Russian twists with the dumbbell. Is this called a dumbbell? I always get these weights confused, and it's like, girl, what is going on? I don't know, guys. I had a long week. Anywho, I love these because even though you guys see this waist, like let's not even play around. You guys see what I'm working with. You guys see the curvature. I still do my thing. Like, you haven't seen me in a minute, but I've been just doing my thing. I'm also hitting some leg raises, guys. This is just phenomenal for your full core. Just try to keep your arms down as much as you can. Engage your core. Do 12 reps per set. So I hit about 4 of these bad boys, and I just alternate between different core exercises because, again, the goal is to be invisible when I turn to the side. I want to look like a pea. Yeah, just super excited for this. Ooh, yeah, I'm clapping because, listen, I'm my biggest supporter, period, point blank. Okay, so I have to encourage myself throughout this core workout so I don't just get my bag and go home. Hitting some more Russian twists, feeling that burn. Then I'm going to go into some butterfly kicks, I believe, and then my workout will be concluded. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up. Leave down in the comment section below any other exercises that you want me to focus on, and I will see you next time. Bye, beautiful.